What is exospirituality research? The idea that understanding the vastness and processes of the cosmos, cosmic evolution, can lead to profound shifts in individual consciousness and personal evolution is a significant theme explored across various disciplines. While it might not always be labeled with a single unified term like exospirituality in academic papers, the underlying concepts are very much present in research. Here's how this idea is expressed in different academic and philosophical contexts. Awe and wonder, research in psychology. This is a direct and well-researched area. Studies in psychology, particularly positive psychology, show that experiences of awe, often triggered by vastness, complexity, or beauty, like looking at the night sky or images from space, lead to a range of positive outcomes. These outcomes include reduced self-focus, feeling smaller in a good way, increased feelings of connectedness to others and the world, enhanced prosocial behavior, altruism, greater life satisfaction, reduced stress, and increased curiosity and open-mindedness. This unselfing effect can be interpreted as a personal transformation or evolution of consciousness, moving away from egocentric concerns towards a more expansive, interconnected awareness. Key researchers, Dasher Keltner and Jonathan Haidt, are prominent in this field. Cosmic evolution and big history. The field of cosmic evolution, pioneered by figures like Eric Chasson, describes the grand narrative of increasing complexity from the Big Bang to the present, encompassing the evolution of matter, stars, galaxies, planets, and life, including human civilization and consciousness. While primarily scientific, Chasson and others explicitly link this scientific understanding to a deeper understanding of human existence, purpose, and our place in the universe. They argue that comprehending this vast, interconnected evolutionary process provides a more coherent and unifying worldview. This can certainly lead individuals to a sense of personal evolution or awakening as their intellectual understanding integrates with their existential experience. Big history is a related academic discipline that tells the story of the universe from the Big Bang to the present, again emphasizing interconnectedness and emergent complexity. Its very purpose is often to provide a grand narrative that can shape human consciousness and collective understanding. Philosophy of astrobiology and existentialism. As mentioned, this field explores the philosophical implications of discovering extraterrestrial life. This often touches on what it means for human identity, purpose, and the future of consciousness. Philosophers ponder whether the existence of other intelligent life would force a reevaluation of our unique place, potentially leading to a more humble yet also more expansive view of human potential and the evolution of consciousness on a cosmic scale. Some discussions in this area explicitly connect to concepts of transhumanism or the future evolution of human consciousness beyond its current biological limitations, often inspired by the possibilities presented by vast cosmic timescales and advanced civilizations. Consciousness studies and panpsychism. Some theories of consciousness, such as panpsychism, the idea that consciousness or proto-consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, not just an emergent property of complex brains, inherently link individual consciousness to a broader cosmic consciousness. While highly theoretical, these papers suggest a deep interconnectedness, implying that a deeper understanding of the universe's fundamental nature could indeed lead to a personal evolution or awakening to this inherent cosmic awareness. In summary, while you might not find a paper titled Understanding Nebulae Leads to Personal Enlightenment, you will find robust research streams that demonstrate the psychological benefits of experiencing awe, often space-induced, the philosophical and existential implications of understanding cosmic evolution and our place within it. The theoretical discussions linking individual consciousness to broader universal principles. These areas collectively support the idea that a deeper engagement with the wonders of space can indeed facilitate significant shifts and evolution in one's own consciousness. These areas collectively support the idea that a deeper engagement with the wonders of space can indeed facilitate significant shifts and evolution in one's own consciousness.